無料空所領域展開
You can achieve this amazing effect with just one click by using my free preset called Dynamic Speed. All you need to do is drag and drop the preset onto a solid layer. It will apply instantly. Note, to use this preset, you'll need two plugins. Deep Glow, a paid plugin that adds smooth, professional glow effects. Crate's GodRays, a free plugin from Production Crate that creates cinematic light rays. First, I'll show you how to download and install the GodRays plugin. Then I'll walk you through how to download, install, and use my free preset. Click the link in the description. It will take you to the official ProductionCrate.com website. Sign up using your Google account. Scroll down, choose your operating system, click it, and the download will start immediately. Install the Production Crate app as you would any normal program. Sign in with your Google account. Install the Lafarag pack and wait a moment while it finishes. To make sure it's installed, open After Effects. In the Effects and Presets panel, type GodRays. Now, click the second link in the description. It'll take you to my Blogger page, where I post many free and useful tools to boost your workflow. Click on the image, scroll down, and click the download link to get my free preset. Now follow my steps.
This